Hi everyone, I'm Priyavarshini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today our topic is enumerated data types and flowchart applications. Today we are going to dive into foundational topic of from programming, enumerated data types, often called enums, and how flowcharts helps us understand them visually. Enums are extremely useful in programming because they help you write clearer, safer, and more organized code. Flowcharts, on the other hand, help us visualize how enums work in decision making processes. By the end of this video, you will understand what enums are, why they are important, how they are used in real world programming, how flowchart represent logic involves enums. So let's get started. First, let's understand the basic idea. An enumerated data type is a user-defined data type that consists of a set of named constant values. So it allows us to create category or group of related items and give them meaningful names. So for example, instead of writing int light is equal to 0, which gives no clue about what 0 means, we can define enum traffic light, open curly braces, red, yellow, green. Now the code becomes self-explanatory. The idea replacing meaningless numbers with meaningful words is the heart of enumerated data type. So why do we need this? So why do we need this is because program often deal with fixed set of options. Days of the week, like direction means north, south, east and west. User roles is an admin, user, guest. Modes is an on off mode. There is an on off mode in season, summer, winter. There is in seasons. Like instead of using 1 2 3 ABC random integers, we define a clean and readable group of values. Okay, so why are enums important means enums offers three major benefits. So let us discuss them in detail. First is improved code clarity. When someone reads your code, they immediately understand what each enum value means. Okay, so for example, if a condition check if a role is equal to admin means you instantly understand the logic, right? So but if it checks if role equal to 1, you have no clue what 1 means unless you refer the comments. Okay, then ease of maintenance. Imagine a project with thousands of lines of codes, right? If you want to add or modify a constant like adding a new user role such as a moderator, okay, updating a single enum definition is enough. You don't have to search through the entire program. Then third is error reduction and type safety. Enum restrict variables to a predefined set of values. This prevents mistakes like assigning a wrong number or string. Example, if you have a variable of type traffic light means the compiler ensures it can only accept the red, yellow and green. It cannot accept 9, 15 or any random numbers, right? So this makes your program readable and less prone to hidden bugs. Then understanding the flowchart representations. So now let's connect enums with the flowcharts. Okay, so flowcharts helps us visualize how enums control the flow of program. A flowchart includes the oval, rectangle, diamond and arrows. In oval, that is from start to the end. In rectangle, the process or an actions. It defines the process or an actions. Diamond, it takes a decision making. This is a decision making. We use the diamond visualization. Arrow is the flow direction. So enum often appears in decisions. For example, consider the traffic light enum. A flowchart might check if current light is equal to red, then it stop. If current light is green, equal to green, the flow then go. If current light is equal to yellow means then slow down. You using an enum in a flowchart ensures we see all possible states clearly. It also shows which actions correspond to which state. Without enums, a flowchart might look if value equal to 1 means stop, if value equal to 2 means go. So which is harder to understand, right? So flowchart makes based logic easier to communicate and teach. Then next is an implementations in programming languages. So in various languages we use an enum, right? So now we will see how enums are written in some common languages. C, C++. The syntax, the C++ enums are defined using the enum keyword followed by the name and the list of constants. So enum, we use the enum keyword and give the name variable name a traffic light and gives the values red, yellow and green. These constants are integers internally starting from 0 by the default. In Java enums, Java offers a more advanced enum features that allows methods, constructors and fields. So in Java public, we use the public keyword and an enum keyword traffic light red, yellow and green. Then Java enums can even have methods, fields and constructors. They behave almost like classes. Next, a Python enum. Python supports enums through the enum module, enhancing code organization. So from enum, we use the from enum import enum, class traffic light enum, red is equal to 1, yellow is equal to 2, green is equal to 3. So Python enums emphasize readability and organizations. Next, the practical examples. So first let's look at a few real time examples. So traffic lights have exactly the 3 states red, yellow, green using an enum is perfect here. So example 2 is in days of the week. Using enum to represent the days simplifies scheduling and enhancing readability. Right, enum days is a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. A scheduling program become much easier to understand. So user roles. In user roles, defining user roles in admin, user, guest. So allow clearer permissions management, access control becomes more secure and structured. Then conclusion. To summarize, enumerated data type give meaningful names to set of related constants. They make code more readable and reduce errors. They improve maintainability for large software projects. Flowchart helps us visualize how enum influence a program flow. Enum exist in almost every major programming languages. So integrating both elements enhances code clarity and efficiency. I hope this detailed explanations helped you understand enumerated data type clearly. Thank you.